The strong winds and rough ocean conditions are causing many people to change their plans. For the second day in a row in Lake Worth Beach, the pier is closed.
There are cancellations too. We find our Steve King live on the pier. Look at the weather there after speaking with people on the beach and those working in local businesses. Steve?
Todd, lots of people in South Palm Beach County forced to adjust their plans. In Boca Raton, the holiday boat parade was canceled, and here in Lake Worth, anybody who wanted to go to the Lake Worth Pier is out of luck. You can see the pier is closed. Nobody's allowed onto it because of this severe weather. And also, if the weather was normal for this time of year, people might have been in the ocean. People like Scott Swedberg, who's visiting Denver, visiting our area from Denver.
We probably would be wearing bathing suits and be in the water instead of wearing sweatshirts and just going for a walk and somehow trying to keep our hair out of our mouths. So we definitely would have spent more time in the sun, and now we're just trying to go out when it's not raining. We're not thrilled about it, but we're making the best of it.
On the Lake Worth Pier, which is closed a second straight day, these boards were temporarily removed as a precaution to protect the structural integrity of the pier in case of sea level rise. At Benny's on the Beach on the Lake Worth Pier, only the indoor areas are open, and the outdoor areas being closed means more than 50% of the restaurant's seating cannot be used.
Usually like all this would be set up, umbrellas would be open, we would have caddies and menus and stuff like that out on the table. Right now you can see it's literally empty, there's nothing.
Servers say their strategy is to not let the decrease in sales get them down.
I love coming to work, doing this every day, this is my passion. Other than it's a little bit rainy and a little bit windy, I love doing it.
As for the customers who did come to Benny's on the Beach and sat inside, some say the weather is not putting a damper on their fun.
Honestly, I think the weather's beautiful. My mom told me to wear a sweatshirt. She told my little brother to wear a sweatshirt. I think the waves are really pretty out there too today. But I think the rest of my family probably disagree with me on the weather. I'd rather this than to be sweating.
And as for the Lake Worth Pier, it's going to remain closed, city leaders say, until this severe weather subsides and until crews have the chance to check the pier for any possible damage. Reporting live in Lake Worth Beach, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.